Hello friends, welcome back to Treyankush learning channel. In this video, we are going to learn 5 lines on rainy day. So let's start. Point number 1. I love rainy days. Rainy day is loved by everyone. Rainy day adds a lot of beauty to our environment. Rainy day helps Rainy day helps in the birth of new trees, new leaves. Rainy day has pleasant weather with a cool breeze. We can see a rainbow on a rainy day. Kids play in the rainwater. On this day, my grandmother makes tasty pakoras with green chutney and tea to enjoy the rainy day. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.